Understanding arrays. In this lesson, we will see about arrays. An array is a collection of similar elements. These similar elements could all be the ints, or all floats, or all chars, etc. All the elements are referred by the index, which starts from 0 by default. The index must be indicated by square brackets. An array is classified in two major types. They are single-dimensional and multidimensional. A single-dimensional array stores the data in either a single column with multiple rows or a single row with multiple columns. Here's the figure which shows the single-dimensional array. In this image, you can see the indices and values that are stored in the array because each element of an array can be accessed through its index. Now we can go for a multidimensional array. The most common type of multidimensional array is the two-dimensional array. Also, the multidimensional arrays can be described as arrays of arrays. Let's see this figure, which displays the multidimensional array structure. A multidimensional array can store values with multiple rows and columns. Now we'll discuss how to declare the arrays. Like variables, arrays must be declared before used. The general form of declaration is type, variable name, size. Here the type specifies the data type, which may be an int, or a float, or a char. The size indicates the maximum number of elements that can be stored inside the array. If you're not specifying the size of the array, we can store unlimited elements in the array. The last element of an array is called null, /0. I hope you understand the meaning of arrays and their declarations. Now we will discuss how to initialize the arrays. The general form of initialization of arrays is like this. The values in the list are separated by commas. Have a look at this example. Here we declare the array size as 3 and assigned 10, 20, and 30 to each element. So far in this lesson, we have analyzed what is an array, the types of arrays, and how to declare and initialize the arrays. We will discuss more about arrays in upcoming lessons.